Hi guys, I just wanted to show you my view from where I am. It's actually snowing so much. I'm wondering how we're going down, how we're going back home.
Hey, hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in JA, in my house here in France. It's a brand new day. I really don't know what it looks like outside yet because I haven't yet opened windows and stuff like that. I've been up and getting going. I'm home alone with the kids, so I don't have, babe, carry this, come give me, babe, carry that, come give me. I have to be holding things down on my own. So I'm up and getting the kids ready so we can go out to drop Tyler for school. So we're doing that right now. Sarah, come for numbers. Calendar, come up. So what?
I can open it but not eat it.
No, you can eat it before you go to school. So hopefully you guys are doing well, and if you have to hold things down on your own, then use time management and you'll surely be okay. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to head out of here with Tyler, but first I like to give the kids their Christmas calendar for them to do it together before we leave out in the morning. So what number are we looking for? Number 10. 10 days of Christmas. You find yours, Ty? Okay, she's gonna find her soon. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. She find it?
Yeah!
You find it? Yay! Good job. What? What did you say?
10.
What number is that?
10.
Open it. She said open it. I wanted her to repeat what she didn't repeat. She found the number 10. It's a 1. Wow. What is it? What is this?
Mama.
What is it?
Oh, we can't
She
do
just ready to eat it.
Mama, it
Yes.
look a bit like a croissant, like.
It is. So the kids got their chocolate from their advent calendar for the day. No thank you, but very nice of you. Can you say morning to the faves? Come up and so they can see you.
What, Mayo? Me day for the Gaza. You saw what I did?
Yes, I saw you. You're too funny.
We are going in a school.
Miaga school.
We are gas school.
Yes, Miaga school. You gonna have a good day?
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Oh, you remember before when but on the computer when when there was people teaching me patois.
No, you weren't. They weren't teaching you patois. You were helping them with French.
Yes, can
And you had.
can I continue that?
Okay, I'll contact the girl when we come back from vacation and see if she have any more classes. Oh, and they were teaching patois. Yes.
Yeah.
I remember. I'll check to see if they have any more classes. In summer outside. Yes, I remember that. You had fun. You want to learn more patois?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Have a good day at school. And you're gonna be good, okay? Hopefully the teeth fall out soon. Alright, tell face bye-bye. Papa is coming back today, you guys. Baby's coming back today, so don't worry. You guys will see baby later. Hopefully you don't return too late. Now that I hear that coughing, I remember his medicine. It's the last day of school. Take your hand out your nose.
Why is this the one?
Back up.
Bye.
Giving Tyler some medicine. Come, Ty. You haven't eaten that chocolate that you want to stick it away from you? Open your mouth. Last day of school. Tyler have an event tomorrow. I don't know if he'll be able to go, but hopefully he'll be able to go. No, Sarah. Sarah say, she want medicine. Sarah's medicine. Tell Tyler to give you a piece of his chocolate. Look, Tyler giving you a piece.
Oh, I didn't even see.
Get down, get down. Go. Anyway, you guys, I'm just all over the place because I'm trying to leave here. Have a good day. Enjoy today's vlog. Hopefully you guys will see babe by the end of the vlog. And yeah, I didn't work out this morning. As you guys can see, I'm in workout clothes because I'm gonna come back and work out. Because this morning with my phone alarm, I just decided that hey, I have some time when I get back, so I am not gonna force myself to work out. I'm gonna lay in bed and just relax. So, and every time I do that, you know, I regret it. But anyway, it's done and I'm coming back to work out. I'm not gonna do too much this morning, but I'll get it done when I got back. Just a little 30 minutes and get fresh and start off my day. Anyway, you guys, enjoy today's vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Catch up and keep up with the fam. Love you guys, and I'm gonna head out with my tribes. You
speak a bit fast that when you speak, I don't even hear what you're saying.
Well, it happens sometimes. Jacket.
Jacket.
Jacket, come
But I'm trying to get my toy.
Kai, jacket, phone alarm, long time.
Mama, can I carry this pencil?
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, I didn't even know you guys were still here, but I'm out now. Oh my gosh, can you believe the last time I spoke to you was this morning? It's night right now. Well, almost night. It's 5 p.m. Today has been kind of a cruise controlling day for me. I have been just doing this here and there and lounging around and just taking my time. It's just so weird when I know baby's not home. The place just feels different, even though he's coming back tonight. You guys probably see him before I end the vlog.
Hi guys, I just wanted to show you my view from where I am. It's actually snowing so much. I'm wondering how we're going down, how we're going back home. But yeah, that's just, mountain is beautiful, should I say. You can't see through this mountain in front, but you can't really see it. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well. I am doing well. So yeah, catch you guys soon.
But it's just been I just didn't feel like doing much today, but at the same time, when you think about it, I still got a lot done. I just didn't pick up the camera. Anyway, I am here in the kitchen. It's Friday, so I'm gonna keep the tradition alive. I'm going to do pizza for the kids, but I'm not feeling for much pizza for myself, so I'm gonna put some chicken in the oven, and I might have a salad, or I might make something else with the chicken. I am not sure as yet, but we'll figure that out as the vlog goes by. You guys will see what I will prepare. The kids are in Tyler's room playing because Tyler's home from school, so let's find out what they're up to.
Wagwan.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Somebody sound a lot better. Yeah, somebody look a lot better. Let's go see. Where's Missy? Hi, Sarah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
What you doing? You're reading book? Say, I am reading.
I'm reading.
Who is that?
Baby.
Baby. Okay. Was a good story in the book? You read the book? Yes. She love under this bed. I can't wait to give her this bed in her room and get Tyler a new one. She loved that space under there. Okay, Sarah, bye-bye. See you later. What did you have for lunch at canteen today, Terry?
I had the capelli.
C'est quoi capelletti?
Capelli.
Capelletti. Oh, c'est quoi ça?
It's a ravioli. That is yellow. But that have a different shape.
Ah. Okay, and you eat that with what?
With apple syrup.
Apple syrup, apple sauce. Like compote?
No, that's what I need. I need a syrup apple.
Okay, and what else? And bread? And yogurt? Cheese? Juice? No, juice. Water?
And water.
Okay, it was yummy. You ate it off?
Yes.
Awesome. Good job.
Da.
You're gonna stay awake until Papa come later? Maybe not. Maybe you're gonna go to bed and when he come home I'll wake you up so you can see him. Okay? You have race tomorrow. Alright you guys, pizza. I'm sure Sarah is ready and gonna be happy. Look at her. Sarah, pizza. Pizza's ready. On pizza? Pizza. Guys, so this is what dinner looks like today. I went ahead and did some planting too, and it's Friday, so why not just go all out and done. I have planting, I have a roast chicken, and I have some pizza. So that's dinner, and baby will be happy when he gets home because I'm sure he'll be hungry by the time he gets here and he wouldn't want any food. So this will be perfect for babe when he gets here. So there goes Friday jam. Come.
So I wanted to spit everything and find where it was enough.
Monumentous moment just happened. Tyler teeth fell out in the pizza.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Aww. He was so happy. I hear him scream, yes! I was like, what's happened?
And you know how
So go like this. Let him see your teeth. Damn, I don't teeth, boy.
Mama, can you lift me up like that? They can see it properly.
They can see it. Alright, so who's fairy coming tonight? Who is that? Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Faves.
I'm going to bath. Say I'm going to bath. See you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You ready to go night-night? Let's go night-night. So let's go night-night. Say night-night. Say night-night. Night-night, sweet girl. You guys, Sarah's going to bath and go to bed. Well, I spent some time with my one boy. Draw 4.
But it's also good for me to get draw 4 because if the draw 4 there's a lot of good cards. So it's good to pack.
I wanted the color red.
Yeah.
Uno.
I should have put that.
Put them here.
Okay, first time.
Ha! Ha! Uno.
But you play again.
Ha!
Okay.
Okay, I'm kicking him tonight. Where is Papa for me to tell him that I'm kicking your butt?
4.
Oh my God, he's kicked me again.
+2.
+2. Yes! All those 4 times he skipped me, he have to draw 4 for it. Take up your 4 card, man. He got a +4 in there, you know, so he's happy, I bet. My turn or your turn?
Say Bruno.
What color do you want, sir?
Jaune.
Uno. Haha. Be careful now. Alright.
Silencio.
He's telling me to be silent.
Silencio.
Oh my gosh.
Silencio. E uno.
What a good strategy. Wait. What color you want?
I want green.
I don't have no green.
I don't show your cards.
But
Pack.
But you're gonna win anyway.
Pack.
I can't play. Exactly.
I won. I win.
You see how he do me when he wins?
1, 2.
That was a good play.
Yes,
You
it's
did
a good play.
You did good. Your strategy. You are getting better at this game, boy.